time we are headed out to the Hurricane Sand Dunes. Just got a call from Bill at Utah Off-Road Tours. He's got one of his Can-Ams out there that had a little bit of a belt problem. I guess they got a piece stuck down in the clutch and they can't get that thing undone. So we'll get out there, take the little black trailer and get him scooped up. Had a little bit of rain last night, so shouldn't have much problem on the sand. It was sure nice to get a little moisture after the dry spell, and I guess we'll break somebody's heart today because it's Valentine's Day. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm sure my dinner will be cold by the time I get home, but we will take you along for the ride. pass that up.
Check that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wait, did you see it 2 days ago?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I thought that was awesome. Well, we're working our way out of here. We got her loaded no problem, and we're gonna just stick to the hard pack and work our way out of here and take it down to Candle Motorsports, have him work the clutch over and get Bill back on the trail again. So we made it back over here to drop this baby off, and you guys can see that the normal parking place would be next to the dumpster. Sorry, Bill. All right, well, thanks for coming along for the ride. I know that light's kind of bright. So you guys will probably be mad if I don't show you the rest of this recovery with the Can-Am from Utah Off-Road Tours. It was pretty much a mess, but we've got ball joints going in, and this is not a shelf, does not apply to the floor. Anyways, that's where we're at on this project. Just putting ball joints in and new axle and new seals and you name it. But it's coming along pretty good. Get Bill back on the road again. Or as I like to say with the off-road stuff, on the trail again.